So out of all the videos that I've put on YouTube, the one that's definitely had the most views is the Beginner's Guide to Soft Washing. But it's also the one that the subject I know the least about. Also, it's the video that I've had the most dislikes on. So I thought I'd better do something about that. So today, I've booked up to go on a course at the British Window Cleaning Academy, run by Ionics down at Swindon. And I've booked up for a full day's course. So let's go and see what it's about. So I've just finished my soft wash course with the British Window Cleaning Academy, and I've got to admit I did wonder whether I was going to be paying for a course to be sold Ionics equipment, but I definitely wasn't. It wasn't that at all. There was a lot of information involved in it. The morning started off with tea and coffee to start with, then we had introductions. The morning was all spent in the classroom. There was a break halfway through, and then lunchtime there was a full buffet lunch put on, which was really nice sandwiches, plenty of snacks, plenty of cake and everything after that. The afternoon there was a bit more time spent in the classroom, and also we had a practical session. We went out, and because they've got their equipment set up there, we use their equipment. We went to a industrial unit across the road from the classroom and did some cleaning there. So they showed us a couple of different methods of cleaning, one using a brush to apply it and one using a hot solution with a lance, and just showed us how that worked, how you applied it, how you neutralized it afterwards and washed it down, and what a good job that soft washing did and how easy it made the job to do. So there was definitely a lot of information in it. I'm gonna have to go home now, read through my notes. There's so much in there that you couldn't remember it all off the top of your head straight away. It was a cracking course, great for somebody that's just starting up. If you're going to be doing smaller soft washing jobs, I should imagine with that course that's all you're going to need to get you going. So really enjoyed it. So hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.